Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can ship a package on UPS. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, you need to open up your web browser and then on the search box type in www.ups.com. So once you type in the link, you'll be taken to the official site. Before you ship a package, make sure to go through all of these information. So there are some guidelines. In order to ship your package, you need to go through it, as there are some instructions. So you can go through this page. While you're on this page, you need to click on this options ship now in the top left corner of your screen. Once you do this, you'll be taken to the shipment page and where you'll need to enroll your information. You do not need to create an account to ship with UPS. You can create a one-time shipment. However, with UPS account, you'll gain access to potential discounts. So those are the feature of creating an UPS account. Now, if you don't want to create an account, then you can move on with the shipment process. So you can see that you need to enter in your country of residence. Now you can select any other country from where you are transporting, enter in the full name or the company's name, and then enter the contact name. You'll need to enter in your current address where you're residing. So then you'll need to enter your address in detail. And you also need to enter in your contact information. So you need to provide a valid email address and a phone number and mark on this terms and condition. Once you're done entering your information, now you have this option that is use a different return address. Under it, there is an option as use a different return address. If you want to change it, then you can simply just do it yes and then enter in a new address. And if you don't want to do it, then just leave it blank and click on continue in the bottom right corner. Now once again, they'll ask you to confirm whether the address is a permanent address or not. So if you're sure about it, click on continue. You'll need to enter in the address where you are actually shipping the parcel. After that, do the same procedure. Now you need to enter in the recipient's detail. So enter in all of their information. Once you're done filling all of the information, now scroll down and click on continue in order to proceed on. Now you'll need to enter in the package detail. As you can see, you need to select the type of package. So you have a list of options. After that, you also need to enter in the weight of the package. You need to enter in the length. You also need to enter in the width of the package and then the height of the package. Once you've done this, you need to scroll down and you need to enter in the total package. So you'll need to go through all of these information and then add the details accordingly. And once you're done entering the detail, click on continue. Now you'll be taken to another page where you need to select the method of shipment. So as you can see, you need to enter in all of these information. Now you're almost at the end. Now you need to enter in some details. You'll need to select the purpose of shipment. So you need to click on this arrow icon and you'll have many alternatives, so you can select it. And after that, you also have what are you actually shipping. So you need to select it. So make sure to go through all of these details and then select it accordingly and click on continue. Once you're on this page, you also need to enter in the international forms and documents. So just click on get started. And now you need to enter in all of the information as they ask. Now first thing you need to do is description of the goods, what you've actually shipped. And you also need to enter in the measurement details and the unit of value and the country of origin. And you also need to enter in the product ID. And after that, scroll down to the bottom and you need to enter in the shipment details. Once you click on next, once again, you need to go through all of these forms and documentation page where you need to provide the detailed information. So once you do this, you'll be taken to the payment page where you need to enter in your payment details. And once you're done entering your payment details, you'll be taken to the review page where you need to check all of the information provided. Make sure to go through all of the information provided correctly. And if you're sure about it, click on continue. And after that, you've successfully shipped your package. So in this way, you can ship a package on UPS. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.